Hi. In the last video, we saw factorization by regrouping terms, right? We took an example and saw how regrouping helps when no single factor is common across all terms, right? In this video, let us continue learning the same method with a new example, right? Okay, let us take this example 4xy minus 6x plus 10y minus 15, right? So first, always check if there is a common factor across all the terms. Here, the terms are 4xy, 6x, 10y and 15, right? There is no single factor that divides all four terms. So we move to regrouping. This is our second step. So we can group them like this. Let us take first two terms, right? That is 4xy minus 6x. We keep them together. Let us keep them in a bracket and then plus we group last two terms, that is 10y minus 15. Okay. So you may ask, why did we group this way? Because in each pair we can already see some common factors. I will explain you this. After that we have step 3, that is to factorize each group, right? So here let us take the first group. This is our first group, 4xy minus 6x. I will write it down here. Okay, 4xy will be written as 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 multiplied by x multiplied by y, right? And 6x will be written as 6 will be written as 2 multiplied by 3, and then we have multiplied by x, right? Here the common factor in both these terms are 2 is common in both the terms, then I see x is also common in both the terms, right? So the common factor is 2x. This means 2x is present in both the terms, right? So we take 2x out. So 4xy minus 6x is, I will take out 2x, and then in the bracket I will have from the first term this 2 is left and this y is left, that is 2y. I will write in a bracket. Then because I have a minus sign here, I will put a minus sign. Then from the second term only 3 is left, I will put 3 here. I will write 3 here, right? Similarly, let us take second group. For the second group, we have 10y minus 15, right? So 10y will be written as 5 into 2 is 10, then y, right? And minus 15, we can write it as 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, right? Here the common factor is 5. You see 5 is present in both the terms, so the common factor is 5 only. Okay, so we take 5 out, and what we have is 10y minus 15 is equal to, because 5 is common in both the terms, I'll take out 5, and in the first term we have 2 and y, that is 2y, and in the second term we have minus 3, right? Now for the fourth step we have to put them together. Okay, so our expression becomes 4xy minus 6x, this was 2x, and in the bracket 2y minus 3. This is what we have seen already. And from the second group, that is 10y minus 15, we saw that 5 was common, and in the bracket we had 2y minus 3, right? Okay, so for the fourth step I will put all these terms together, and this is equal to, from the first group we have 2x in the bracket 2y minus 3, I will write it here, plus from the second group, that is 10y minus 15, we have 5, then in the bracket 2y minus 3, right? So do you notice something here? Both the terms have a common factor, that is 2y minus 3, right? So we take 2y minus 3 out. So our first bracket will be 2y minus 3, and in the second bracket I will write 2x from the first group plus 5 from the second group, right? So this is the answer. The factors of 4xy minus 6x plus 10y minus 15 are 2y minus 3 and 2x plus 5. right? These are the two factors, and both of these are irreducible factors. That means these cannot be reduced further, right? You might think that what will happen if we group them in a different way, right? And what if I take 4xy plus 10y in the first group and minus 6x minus 15 in the second group, right? So what will happen then? Let us see. This is what we have seen. The result of 4xy minus 6x plus 10y minus 15 is 2y minus 3 in a bracket multiplied by 2x plus 5 in a bracket, right? And let us regroup the terms in a slightly different way. Let us move 10y first and 6x later. Okay? So we are having two different groups. The first group is 4xy plus 10y, right? And the second group is minus 6x minus 15. Okay, this is first group and this is second group. Okay, so let us take the first group. This will be equal to, let us break 4xy first. 4xy is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y, right? And 10y, when we break it down, it will be 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by y, right? So which are the things we have common here? 2 and 2 is common in both the terms, and y is common in both the terms, right? So the common factor in both the terms is 2 multiplied by y, that is 2y. Okay, so we take 2y out, and this is going to be 4xy plus 10y is equal to, we are taking 2y out, and in the bracket we have from the first term 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x, and from the second term we have 5 plus 5, right? Now let us solve the second group. Okay, minus 6x minus 15 is our second group, and this is going to be, minus 6x will be written as 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by x, right? And minus 15 is written as 5 multiplied by minus 3, right? So in both the terms we have minus 3 common. Okay, so I will take out minus 3. So the result of minus 6x minus 15 is minus 3. Then from the first term we have 2 and x. 2x is left, so I will write 2x here. From the second term, because I have taken minus 3 already out, so only 5 is left, right? 2x plus 5. Okay, so 4xy plus 10y minus 6x minus 15, this is equal to, from first group we got 2y in the bracket 2x plus 5, and from the second group we got, sorry, this is going to be minus 3, then this is what I'm referring to, minus 3 in the bracket 2x plus 5. Okay, so in this case both the terms have a common factor, that is 2x plus 5, right? So I will take out 2x plus 5. This is equal to 2x plus 5 in a bracket, and in the second bracket I will have the remaining terms, that is 2y minus 3, right? Okay, so the factors of 4xy plus 10y minus 6x minus 15 are 2x plus 5 and 2y minus 3, right? In the first example, the factors were also the same, that is 2x plus 5, 2y minus 3, right? Only the difference is that position of these factors are changed, right? Okay, let us see what we have seen so far. When no single factor is common to all terms, we use regrouping. We make pairs of terms so that each pair has a common factor. After factoring each group, a new common factor usually appears, right? And taking out that new common factor gives us the fully factorized expression, right? And even if we regroup terms differently, we get the same final factors, right? So hope you understood this concept. I will bring more examples in my next videos. Thanks for watching.